In order to make a career in blockchain, first you need to understand lot of economical concepts, which are fundamentals of blockchain. That is transaction, managing transaction, what are the rules, what is asset, etc., etc. You need a fundamentals of decentralized databases. So there are a lot of key concepts you should be aware of. Then you move towards the programming side. For me, the best option I feel is a Python because it's easier. There are a lot of libraries which are directly incorporated with SolidWorks and Ethereum. So you can directly work with Solidity. Apart from that, once you know these two things, you should be then going towards the logic of how to build smart contract, how to execute them, what are the rules, regulation, and steps. Once all this done, we would recommend you to have a proper industrial level certification for blockchain for making a proper career, because blockchain, unlike other technology, is a very serious technology related to bank and financial domain or a secrecy of data. So a proper industrial level certification is must, what we feel. इमेजिन एक ऐसी दुनिया जहां ट्रांजैक्शन हो चुटकियों में, बट फिर भी किसी भी तरह का फ्रॉड ना हो पाए. इतना ही नहीं, we can trace who initiated the transaction, where the money went, and was it or is it going to be used for what it was claimed to. This is blockchain. Right from financial domain to healthcare to so many different domains, today blockchain is used rapidly with the growth of bitcoins and other things. With the digital or digitization of cash, blockchain is the next technology which is booming. Blockchain. In this technology, we can consider हर ट्रांजैक्शन का एक ब्लॉक होता है जिसे आप हिस्ट्री से लेके अभी तक ट्रेस कर सकते हो. यानी एवरीथिंग इज नोटेड बाय whom, not a single person but multiple server involved in this blockchain technology. Each server maintains a ladder entry for every block, who did, when, why. Once you have this kind of entry, it is practically impossible to fool anybody because यहाँ पे एक नहीं multiple involved है. Similarly, to access every block of information, you need proper authentication because blocks are encrypted. And third, we can actually trace down entire history from origin till now, giving another level of security to the system. This is the reason it is called blockchain. So every chain done to data creates a new block, and entries for this block is maintained in the server. To make any changes, you need approval from the server, and to access every block of information, you need proper keys because it is encrypted. So this is a blockchain technology. Blockchain application, we all know, financial domain, managing payment, managing transaction, checking there is no fraud. Fine. It is also used in Bitcoin for taking, selling, and storing Bitcoins. Apart from that, it is very commonly used in healthcare industry for sharing patient data in a secure manner. Apart from that, it is also very, very commonly used in supply chain management that may include Amazon, Flipkart, or anything. Right from getting information about product, its authenticity, origin, to getting onto shelf where all product was. So imagine the block is added every time you create a product, date so and so, it was brought to factory so and so, it was given for a delivery so and so, and finally reached. Everything can maintain in a blockchain without somebody tempering it. Hence, this is considered to be future of transaction. When it comes to blockchain, the first thing you should know is Solidity, which is a framework to allow smart contracts and other things. Apart from that, in terms of programming language, Python and JavaScript knowledge and Java knowledge is good. Python and Java for building the blockchain infrastructure, and JavaScript for handling the front end. About amount of coding needed in this, well, if you are talking about creating the blockchain system, yes, good amount of coding is needed. If you just want to work as an analyst part, then less coding is needed. If you want to work with executing that smart contract, a contract which executes itself, has a check, and then you buy or sell or handle blockchain, then you really need master level of coding. So coding varies from the type of role which you're looking at, but again, it's not that difficult compared to other technologies which we have, so you can actually give it a try.